Hey guys, this is Wilson. I want to show you how to take a IPT file in Inventor and get it set up to put it into Cura, which is the piece of software you use to set up a 3D printing file. So I have finished my part. It is designed the size and scale that I want it to print, but I designed it in inches. Most of you will be designing things in inches, so the first thing we need to do is change it to millimeters because that's what our 3D printer recognizes. So, very simple. You go to Tools, Document Settings, Units, and Millimeter. Hit Apply, and close. So now, if I measure something, my measurements come up in millimeters. Next, we need to set this thing up to 3D print. Some of you will have a 3D print button over here, but if you don't, right click over here, not on a button, but somewhere off a button, go to Show Panels, 3D Print. Now you have a 3D print button. Alright, don't know what that error message was for. If you set yourself to Ultimaker 2 as your printer, you should be fine. And then, this is a great place to set the orientation of how you 3D print. We don't want to print this thing upright because it's going to take a long time to do that, and it'll probably break off of the platform. So, if you hit Set Orientation, you can choose whatever you want the bottom to be. Now, I don't have anything flat anywhere on this part, so I have to go to Origin, and I'm going to choose this work plane to be flat. You hit OK, and we're good to go. So we're going to save it as an STL, which is stereolithography file. It's what 3D printers like to have. And now, it is super important not to have any spaces in your name. So if you have a space in your name, this is the time to get rid of it. I'm just going to save this into the project file that I've been working. And now, you're going to watch my next video on how to open that up in Cura, set all of the configuration settings so that the printer will function properly, and you'll have your part. See you later.